Thanks for taking a minute to check out my credit guide, Credit Restoration. We want to be the best credit partner that you could possibly imagine, and we want to make sure that we get as many clients back into home loans with you as possible. So what we've done is we've created a system that flows side by side with the broker process. So to start with, anytime from now on that you have a credit file that you have questions on, we want to get a look at that. It doesn't always need to be a clear credit repair case. Sometimes, as your partner, we just need to look at the file and tell you where to find those hard 8 to 10 points that you just can't quite figure out. We want to see those files, we want to help you, and we definitely don't need to make money on every single file. If it is a file that needs our help, what we'll do is diagnose it and come up with a detailed game plan, and then get back to you and the client and let you know whether or not we can help, how much we can help, and how long it's going to take. That way we're all on the same page. So the way that our system works is that we start off with a detailed scrub of the credit report. We interview your client and figure out what they disagree with and why, and then pursue those items for violations of the Fair Credit Reporting Act, the Fair Debt Collections Practice, and other credit-related violations, rather than just throwing it into the wind and saying, we disagree with this file, or please take this off my credit report, like so many credit repair companies do.